and welcome to Las Canas, where we arrive at this charming and cozy villa just 19 kilometers from Cabarete, 3 kilometers from Gaspar Hernandez, and 500 meters from the beach. Come on, let's check it out. This remarkable villa is equipped with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a master ensuite, with each bedroom offering its own closet space, fit just right for your family's needs. Join me as we walk outside to the terrace from your master bedroom and enjoy the front seat view of your own little piece of paradise, all powered by solar energy. So say goodbye to those utility bills and say hello to your sustainable dream home.